The first stop in this trip is to take a look at a moraine. In this case, this moraine is located just west of Stratford along Highway 8. Now it's hard to see in this aerial photograph, however, if you're on the ground, and as you'll see in the next clip, there is a ridge running along here. And this ridge runs for several kilometers and it's called the Milverton Moraine. The first landform that we're looking at is the Milverton Moraine. Now it's difficult to see because it's a fairly subtle landform when you're viewing it from the road. However, it is running along this area. And as we take a look across the highway, you'll be able to see that it crosses over the highway, just creates a little hill that often you wouldn't notice. But when you understand the glacial history of the area, you'll see that this is a moraine. So, in the next slide, we'll take a look at what a moraine is. So, what is a moraine and how is it formed? Well, a moraine is basically a ridge of material that was deposited along the edges of glacial lobes. Now, a lobe of a glacier is like one section here and one section there of a glacier that has merged together, and in this case formed a medial moraine in the middle. The material that the glacier pushes out at the end makes an end moraine or a terminal moraine. And then along the sides of the glacier you have what's called a lateral moraine. The material that makes up these moraines is a mix of various particles of sand, silt, and clay, and some gravel as well. There's no real separation of these different grain sizes in the soil. Therefore, they can be used for farming in many cases. That is what you see with the Milverton Moraine. It is extensively farmed throughout its entire length.